Now, this is one of the little girls. She's getting her Mr. Furley on. That's Franky Blue. This is little CoCo Bean. And this is White Sox. I like him. I like his look. I like the body structure of him. There's Franky Blue. And then, oh, Striper. Stripes is what I call him. Look at that brindle. Red fawn. That is fucking awesome. Then we got Squeeky Pete and RamBro. White Sox, what are you doing, boy? That one, if this isn't CoCo Bean, that's Thanos. Cause Thanos, oh no, this. Hey, I'm even getting caught mixed up on it. Anyways, here's the batch. They're in their big pen now. Lots of area to run. That's Franky Blue, Stripes. That's Squeeky Pete. We haven't got a name for him yet. Oh, he's got a little brindle to him too. Or is that Striper? No, Striper's over there. Got a little bitty brindle. I think that one's Thanos. That's RamBro. And this little girl, I'll call her Mrs. Furley. What's up, Miss Furley?